Hi friends, we are going to summer vacation for 15 days. There are lots of plants in my home, so I am going to show you how to protect the plants in this hot weather. This is the bale tree. We have already cutted the branches so the plant will absorb the water less. In the hibiscus plant, we are putting 10-liter plastic tub filled with water. In the bale tree, we are putting 20-liter tub filled with water. We have filled the water till the edge. This is the neem tree. Here we have cut only one side of the branch and the other side is still remaining. In the same pot, marigold plant is also there. We have used the same 20-liter tub. This is jade plant. Now let us go to the next balcony. Here we have used 20-liter bottle and have made 3 holes in the bottom. We have used PVC micro drip for drip irrigation. We can adjust the water speed. One of the drip is connected to the bamboo plant, other is connected to the basil plant, and the third one is connected to the jasmine plant. Wow friends, see in my hibiscus plant new leaves and flowers and buds has came, and in the bale tree new leaves have came. I am so happy to see that my plant has survived in this hot weather. See, the water level has also gone down, but it has survived. I am very happy to see that. See, it is looking so beautiful. I am very happy to see it after so many days. Friends, you should also try this method when you are out in May so that your plants can survive in this hot weather. Guys, see, my marigold has survived. See, it is so beautiful. I'm so happy that it survived. And see, such a big flower. I am very happy to see that also. And see, in the neem tree, the water has completely finished and the plant has grown new leaves. I'm so happy to see that. That also survived. Friends, see, the drip irrigation method is also successful and these 3 plants have survived. I am very happy to see that. Friends, if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.